Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be going through everything in our apartment and really trying to declutter, minimize the amount of everything that I have, and starting to really pack everything up. We're moving in 6 days from today. I'm so excited, and I started yesterday just kind of going around like random things. Like I started on the bathrooms, I started on my closet, just because I felt like those were gonna be the most annoying things to do. So I wanted to go ahead and like get them started, so that way when I actually chose a day to zone in and start packing, it would already be kind of done, if that makes sense. So that's kind of the plan for today. It's definitely gonna be more of a vlog style video. My next probably 3 or 4 videos are gonna be more vlog style, just because we're gonna be moving, and then I'm gonna show you guys our new place, so stay tuned. Empty house tour coming soon. So yeah, the next couple of vlogs are really just gonna be all about moving and getting things together, and eventually I am gonna do a room by room tour of how I decorated our new house. So I'm super excited for that. If you're super excited for that, make sure you subscribe and keep up to date with my videos so you will know when those are posted. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I've kind of started before we move into like really getting into it. This is my little moving outfit, just a friend's oversized t-shirt and some biker shorts, just keeping it really comfy for today. So I've bagged up some clothes out of my closet that I want to donate, but obviously nothing is open because of the quarantine, so those will be going eventually. And then I also just have some stuff here that I got at Home Depot because we're gonna be painting, and I just wanted to have all that stuff ready so we can just take it. And then this drawer did have all of my makeup in it, but I have packed that up, and now it just has what I'm using every day. So that is something. We also have some wedding stuff. Hopefully you can't see any of my information. That has came, so that's exciting too. That's to come at a later time when my life is not a mess. And then going back into our bedroom, I have officially taken everything off of the walls. So all of the decor is all right here behind the door. And like we used to have stuff on this wall, it's just empty. We still have our blinds up though, just because, you know, sleep's kind of important and we want to be able to block that out. All right, we are in my bathroom now. We have 2 bathrooms. We have the guest bathroom and the bathroom that is attached to our bedroom. So yeah, this is where I have really done the most damage here. We'll start in my closet, I guess. My closet is like a mess, but it is an organized mess. So this is what I have out to wear for the next 6 days. It's obviously more than 6 outfits, but 1 pair of jeans just in case. Probably not gonna be wearing those, but they're there if I need them. And then everything else is like comfy lounge clothes, etc. So this is like a huge tip if you guys don't know about it. I highly recommend this packing tip. You just use a, this is a medium bag, and that worked fine. And you just put your clothes in them and you wrap the strings around them, and you can just carry it really easily. And then when you hang it up at your new place, all you have to do is cut both sides of these, pull them down, boom. Moving took like 30 seconds clothes wise. I need to be starting on this segment of clothes next, so I have that little segment done, this little segment done. This I obviously tried to shove too much in one bag, and the bag was like, no. So I need to be a little bit more, like I need to put less in each bag for this stuff. And then more clothes packed. Wedding dress, so exciting. Luxury Ducks, shout out to them. That's where I got this. It is a bridal boutique in the short north, and they have a couple different locations across the US. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and check them out. I will be showing you this eventually, but not until after we're married, of course. That is all empty. This has a bunch of stuff in it. Those don't have anything in them yet, but I will be putting things in them. And I haven't even started on the shoes. That is like a whole, that is a whole thing in and of itself. And we're not gonna worry about that. And then in the drawers, I just have like important stuff here. I separated my jewelry into a bunch of different bags and put it in one bag. That way they won't be like all tangled when I go to take them out. And then This guy is empty, empty, and empty, which these had a lot of stuff in them, so that was a trek as well. This is empty except for my hair bin, which just has like blow dryer, straightener. I just curled my hair, so that needs to go back once it's not hot. And then I put all of my makeup in these bags, so that's what these are. Those are both full of makeup. And also, this is hilarious. So over the holidays, we like obviously live in an apartment and don't have that much storage. So we officially like haven't been using the shower, and we've only been using it to store like holiday stuff. So this is also a mess. We've just been using the shower in our other bathroom. So that's gonna be like the last thing to go, because obviously Christmas is a long time from now. So that will make it to the house at some point, but it is definitely not a priority. And then we've also been buying stuff too. So like we have some new rugs. This is gonna be like our coffee bar area. I don't remember what that is. Some pictures, like we've really started here. So today's main goal, I picked up some boxes when I was at Home Depot getting stuff to paint, and today's main goal is just to really go through and get all of like the little things done. So like all of the kitchen cabinets that have like random stuff in them, and I'm also thinking that we're gonna pack up all the plates and stuff, because we bought paper plates a while ago just because we hate doing dishes. So I'm thinking we're just gonna use those and then pack up all of our plates. And then we have like a lot of mugs that can be packed. I think Jack is gonna start on his clothes, doing the trash bag hack. He's gonna do that as well, but he hasn't even started on his clothes, so he's gonna start that. And yeah, so I feel like the goal is the kitchen today. Okay, so I got 5 boxes, and they're all small because it was like $1 a box, and I really didn't want to spend that much money. Like the small ones were $1 a box, and they were more expensive the bigger you got. So I'm gonna start on like plates and mugs and stuff, and I'm also just gonna be using an extra one of our throw blankets to like intertwine around the cups and the plates and stuff. That way obviously through moving they don't break. And I'm just gonna do a time lapse, that way this video isn't 100 minutes long. Okay, so I've officially taken all of the mugs and like travel coffee cups out of the cabinets, and this is definitely something I'm realizing that we need to purge on, because it's kind of ridiculous. And I like have a mug collection, but some of them I don't really love, or like they're like chipped or whatever it may be. So I'm gonna go through these and try to get rid of like 5. I feel like that's ambitious in and of itself. And then we'll go ahead and start packing. Legitimately though, guys, look at this. That's just for coffee and like 1 blender bottle. Well, 2 blender bottles, but that's ridiculous. Like, that's totally ridiculous. This is like my all-time favorite mug. It says, "I don't give a sip." And I also have this one that says, "Nope." 3 periods. Can you tell that I'm not a morning person? I think they're so funny.
Try
We're officially at 2 boxes packed. We got the bathroom box and the cup/coffee box. This is all spices. That's insane. All right, so it's been about an hour now and I've got the majority of the kitchen done, minus things that we're obviously gonna be using. I haven't even started on the food yet because that's just really not worth it to do. We're actually not officially moving out of this place until May 31st, and we're moving into our new place April 17th. So there's plenty of time. Right now I'm just trying to pack up the things that are really important that we have that were there. So that's kind of the plan now, and then everything else I'm just like, I'm gonna wait until either like that weekend, or if we decide to just keep it here and like move even slower with that stuff, I'm leaving the stuff where it doesn't really matter if we have it or not. This drawer pretty much empty minus coffee filters. This had all of our spices in it, which I showed you that bag, which was ridiculous. So I just left the ones that we're definitely gonna use, like lemon pepper. I use that on chicken, Italian seasoning. So that guy is like that. And this is our cabinet that we had all of our plates and cups in. So it's looking a lot more bare now. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and make some lunch now. I feel like this is a really good place to end the vlog. I showed you guys what I got done in the kitchen. I showed you guys everything that I got done yesterday. So it's a slow process, everyone knows. We also are trying to figure out a way to move our knives. We have them like in a drawer, not on a block. So if you have any ideas for that, definitely comment down below and let me know, because we're not trying to like have knives out, obviously. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm so excited for all of the content to come. Like I said, if you're interested in watching that, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and stay up to date with my videos, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.